Good afternoon, sir.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. Ramakant sir. Can you hear me?
Good afternoon, sir.
Ramakant sir, can you hear me? हाँ सर, आपका आवाज आ रहा है, क्लियर है,
क्लियर है सर वॉइस?
Yeah, clear.
ओके, थैंक यू सर.
Okay, right. So चलिए, let's not waste time too much. Guys, please do share the link for joining the session in the WhatsApp group. As I have already shared, but scholars are keep on asking. You are not reading the message properly, right? You should read message properly. It has been shared to you. Then again, you're asking the same question.
Sir, I pinned it, sir.
Yeah, please do pin in the groups, your respective groups. Right? Okay. So let's start today's session. So, yeah. Okay. So, good afternoon once again, sir. And
Good afternoon, sir.
And every scholars, good afternoon. And I hope that you all have your lunch. Everybody had lunch?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
good,
sir.
good. No, why?
No, sir.
Sir, because it is getting ready.
Okay, fine. So we are now live. Okay, fine. So today we are gathered here, like as you know the topic. Can anybody say the topic? What is the
Sir,
topic?
your voice is breaking, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, can you repeat it?
Can anybody see when if you want to speak, you have to raise your hand. Everybody, put your mic off. You have to raise your hand. Whenever you want to answer, you have to raise your hand. Okay? You have to be in discipline. Okay. Yes, Namnit.
So, Student Centric Mathematics Seminar.
Very good. So, are you ready? Are you ready, guys? All of you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, let me share the screen. Okay. So, for today's session, I would like to introduce our today's, you can say, like guest of the day, Mr. Ramakant Sharma sir. And as today's our topic is student centric mathematics seminar. So actually from the title which has entitled for the today's session, it's related to something like everything is going to run by the student. We are not going to do anything, right? So we are just gonna to observe. So I and Ramakant sir will be observing your presentation, as you will be given already one topic, and that is like as from last 1.5 months you was continuously attending this Albert Einstein International Scholarship exam classes, and day after tomorrow you have the exam, right? So based on your observation, the topic which you like the most, like from the syllabus of Albert Einstein International Scholarship exam, you are going to give your presentation. You have selected your own topic, and I'll be calling one by one. Okay. So, but one thing, guys, you have to, I ask you one thing, that to send the presentation, but after that also you are keep on sending me link. So please, okay, you will be getting the suggestions like how to send the presentation when you are sending presentation or going to give the presentation. What are the things you have to do? Like most of the guys today, what you are sending link. That is not a professional way, and that is not the correct way. So we'll be observing, and at the last, when the presentation gets over, we'll be giving all of your presentation observation. Okay. And as here we have guest of the day, Ramakant sir. He is a teacher trainer and ATAL Tinkering Lab Incharge. So it is a like ATAL Tinkering Lab is kind of like establishing a science labs in the schools, which comes under actually government. Okay, government of India. And STEM education, it's about like STEM means science, technology, engineering, mathematics. So he used to work in STEM education, where he used to work for the science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So he's a wonderful resource person for the STEM education, and he is actually from the, he's also a under the one NGO, that is you can call as American India Foundation, which is working across the India and across the world. So he is one of the volunteering to that. Okay. And okay, now I would like to, I will not take much more time. I'd like to invite Ramakant sir to just inaugurate the session and give some few words, his words to the student, then we'll start the presentation session. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Ishan sir, and good afternoon to all of students who has participated for Albert Einstein International Scholarship Exam. This is a very hug and very beautiful platform to present your efficiency, your dedication, your knowledge to a globally platform which is available by the organization of Ishan sir, Antariksha India Foundation. Basically, first of all, I introduce myself. My name is Ramakant Sharma, and I am belong very grassroots level and even I say rural area where I belong, and because of my family support, I do my education in a better environment and better institutions and better teachers, and basically my work experience more than 20 years in education and rural development and various organizations. Recently, I am connected. Yeah, I am a officials of American India Foundation. Its foundation established in 2001, which डायरेक्टर या which हम कह सकते हैं कि उनके जो एस्टेब्लिश जो हुआ वो एक्चुअली गुजरात में जो अर्थक्वेक आया था उस टाइम पे इसकी स्थापना की गई, और उस टाइम के जो हमारे देश के पीएम से अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी एंड बिल क्लिंटन joint venture this called American India Foundation. Now we are work in education sector, health sector, scholarship sector, and other many more sectors in approximately 17 countries of world and 27 states of India. In DE program, I am a STEM education resource person. Basically, my work is to train teachers for globally environment and 21st century skills like ATAL Tinkering Lab. This is a awesome platform to provide engineering technical skills to students. This lab is established by Niti Aayog and Department of Science and Technology. In this lab, every student can hands-on practice on various type of sensor, Arduino board programming, and many others, many design thinking like 3D printing, like Fusion 360, and basically basically the government of India organize a very beautiful platform like Tinkercad. On this platform, student learn many more about the science models, about the artificial intelligence and design thinking, in which we are give orientation to our student of government schools to put on a globally learning platform. And thank you to Ishan sir to introduce me opposite you. Very good initiative was taken by Antariksha India Foundation, Albert Einstein International Scholarship, and I know the Aryabhat Scholarship also introduced for math competition. तो बेसिकली अल्बर्ट आइंस्टीन स्कॉलरशिप में मेरे स्टूडेंट जो है मैंने उनको भी इंट्रोड्यूस कराया था इस प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए, और हमारे यहाँ एग्जामिनेशन टाइम था इसलिए बच्चे कम जुड़ पाए, लेकिन फिर भी कुछ बच्चों ने आगे बढ़ के और एक अच्छा डेडिकेशन के साथ सर के साथ जुड़े हैं, उन्होंने क्लासेस भी ली हैं, और आप जितने बच्चे जुड़े हुए हैं इस अल्बर्ट आइंस्टीन स्कॉलरशिप एग्जाम के लिए जिन्होंने क्लासेस ली है, उन सभी को ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं मेरी तरफ से भी और मेरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की तरफ से भी। मैं ज्यादा समय नहीं लेते हुए आप सभी को एक चीज बताना चाहता हूँ, हम जो भी काम करें पूरी प्लानिंग के साथ करें, और जब तक जीवन में चैलेंजेस हम नहीं लेंगे तब तक अपने आप की वैल्यू सबको पता नहीं लगेगी। तो आप ऐसे ही छोटे छोटे चैलेंज देते चलिए। बल्कि आपको रिजल्ट की टेंशन नहीं लेनी है। रिजल्ट जो भी हो, एटलीस्ट हमने कुछ लर्निंग तो की है, हमने कुछ स्किल्स तो डेवलप किया है, और ये जाने हमारे जीवन में कहाँ हमारे किस तरह से काम आए। दूसरा, एक इतने बड़े एनवायरनमेंट में इतने सारे सहपाठियों के साथ में, इतने कलीग्स के साथ में हम जब वर्क करते हैं, तो एक लीडरशिप, कोलैबोरेशन और क्रिएटिविटी की जो स्किल्स हमारे अंदर ऑटोमेटिकली डेवलप होती हैं, वो हमारे जीवन को एक नया उद्देश्य देती है, एक नया गोल सेट करने में हमारी मदद करती है। तो आप एक पूरे अपनी पढ़ाई के साथ साथ इन चीजों पे भी अगर आप अपना फोकस करते हैं, तो भविष्य में देना कंपटीशन ही है आपको, चाहे वो किसी रूप में दें। अगर आप अभी से उन कंपटीशन के लिए अपने आप को प्रिपेयर करते हैं, तो आगे आपको कहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी, और आप अपना भी नाम रोशन करोगे, अपने परिवार का नाम भी रोशन करोगे, अपने प्रदेश का नाम रोशन करोगे, हमारे देश का नाम रोशन करोगे। तो इन्हीं शुभकामनाओं के साथ आप सभी को मैं एक बार पुनः हार्दिक हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। बेस्ट ऑफ लक टू ऑल ऑफ यू। थैंक यू सर।
So thank you so much, sir, for wonderful words. Okay, so scholars, the thing is, one thing you have to keep in mind that you will be given only 10 to 15 minutes, okay? 10 to 15 minutes, and that is all on an average 10 minutes. Try to finish your presentation by 10 minutes, okay? And at the last of the session, we'll be observing you how you are giving your presentation, how you make the presentation, okay? And points will be given to you for that. And at the last, attendance link will be shared on the even in YouTube. So you can fill the that attendance link form. You will get the participation certificate as well as. And out of whatever the presentations will be there, उनमें से हम will take two students which will be the best performing. So actually, Ramakant sir, here what we are planning, like we'll be publishing this actually day after tomorrow, means परसों ही हमारा इसका अल्बर्ट आइंस्टीन का एग्जाम है एक्चुअली। तो उसके पहले हम लोग भी मतलब कि अपनी अंतरिक्ष इंडिया की तरफ से जितनी क्लासेस लिए हैं, बच्चों को कैसा परफॉर्म है, कैसा मतलब कि उन्होंने सीखा है, इसके लिए हम लोग ने टोटल 10 टेस्ट प्लान किए थे। तो 8 टेस्ट हमने कंडक्ट कर लिए हैं चैप्टर वाइज, और 2 अभी हमारे टेस्ट होने हैं फुल लेंथ टेस्ट। तो उसमें बच्चा कैसे परफॉर्म करे, तो उसका हमारा दो टेस्ट बचा हुआ है, जो कि कल होगा हमारा 23rd को। तो इस तरह से हम प्लान कर रहे हैं कि मतलब कि हाँ, तो उसमें हम क्या करेंगे, जो बच्चों को सर्टिफिकेट देने वाले मतलब ऐसा, बच्चों ने ऑलमोस्ट 45 डेज पूरी लगन के साथ हमारे साथ जुड़े रहे, और कभी कभी सुबह 4 बजे हम क्लास रख देते थे, बच्चों को बताते भी नहीं थे। Sudden, I will keep within 5 minutes before 4 o'clock. Yes, you have after 5 minutes 4 o'clock, and students they will wake up and they will attend the class. That was a wonderful thing I observed, especially like we have Tanu Nama and Gunjan. They are really wonderful, and even here this class 8th batch like Navneet, Sridhar, we have so many bright students here. Like, if I will not say, I was just testing that, like let's check if student will do or not, they are passionate. So I will not tell the timing, I will certainly keep the timing morning sometimes. But what is the wonderful thing I find out, they will join sharply on the time and they will attend the classes. That was the one. So what we plan from the Antariksha India, that like they cracked that exam or not, but yeah, these 45 days they was regular, they attended, they was very passionate, and they was learning, and they was like what, very enthusiastic. So we will be providing them like this 45 days or whatever, how many days classes we conducted, training certificate, maths training certificate from the Albert Einstein side. So like in that today's presentation also will play a role. So we have to select 2 students like best performing student. So some of the marks will be considered for that, like first and second prize, something like that. So we have to give the points to them. So maybe you can categorize maybe 2 things, like how they are speaking, confidence level, and second, how they made the presentation. That way you can, and the explanation like that. These 3 points you can give the points, right, sir?
May I some add-ons?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
एक्चुअली एक स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे है जिसका नाम तनु नामा है।
Yes, yes.
हाँ, शायद 11th क्लास की स्टूडेंट वही है ये।
Right, right.
बहुत ब्राइट स्टूडेंट है, एकदम सुलझी हुई और मेहनती, डेडिकेशन जिसको कहते हैं ना, वो है इसके अंदर। इवन मैं आपको सर ये बताना चाहूँ, इसके पास ना कोई स्मार्टफोन अवेलेबल है, ना कोई लैपटॉप अवेलेबल है, लेकिन इसकी इच्छा शक्ति इतनी जबरदस्त है, इसने मेरे को भी रीच आउट किया। एक इनके महावीर जी शर्मा है जो इनके फैसिलिटेटर है, मेरे मित्र हैं वो बहुत अच्छे। तो
Right.
उनके थ्रू सर मेरे को ये करवाइए, कैसे भी कीजिए। तो सर ये बहुत ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट। और तनुनामा के लिए मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि इवन इस प्लेटफॉर्म के अलावा कहीं और भी आपको अगर किसी प्रकार की मदद की आवश्यकता पड़ती है पर्सनली मेरे के थ्रू, तो आप कभी भी
Yes.
रीच आउट कर सकते हैं। और ऐसा कोई भी स्टूडेंट जिनको फाइनेंशियली प्रॉब्लम आती है या किसी तरह की टेक्निकल चीजें समझनी है, करनी है, या कोई ऐसे अलग प्रकार कोई सपोर्ट है, तो मैं अवेलेबल हूँ ऐसे बच्चों के लिए, क्योंकि मुझे इंटरेस्ट है इन बच्चों के बीच में काम करने का। सो बेस्ट ऑफ लक टू ऑल ऑफ यू वंस अगेन। थैंक यू सर।
Okay, right. So we'll start the session now. So I'll be calling the names one by one. Okay. So first I'm gonna to call Gunjan. Gunjan, are you ready? Gunjan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. आप ready हो आप presentation
Yes.
के लिए?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
मैं आपका presentation share करता हूँ. Just give me a minute. So तब तक आप अपने आप को introduce कर सकते हो, आप कहाँ से हो जब तक मैं presentation कर रहा हूँ, right?
Good afternoon, sir and everyone. मेरा नाम गुंजन यादव है। मैं क्लास 10th की स्टूडेंट हूँ। मैं अकबरपुर अलवर से हूँ।
बेटा अगर आपको इंग्लिश में प्रॉब्लम है आप
हिंदी में बोलो, कोई
कर सकते, हिंदी में बोलिए, कोई इशू नहीं है, ठीक है।
ओके सर।
हाँ गुंजन, आपका प्रेजेंटेशन आई थिंक कैन यू सी द स्क्रीन गुंजन?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can start now.
Okay, sir. Selling price of an article is more than its cost price the dealer. यदि किसी वस्तु का विक्रय मूल्य उसके क्रय मूल्य से अधिक है तो विक्रेता लाभ कमाता है।
अगर आपको नेक्स्ट करना होगा तो बोलिएगा मेरे को, ठीक है?
ओके सर। लाभ कमाता, जैसे कि जो वस्तु खरीदता है उससे अगर वो ज्यादा मतलब कि 10%, मतलब कि वो 10 रुपये भी ज्यादा बेचता है तो सर उसको मतलब कि उसको लाभ होता है। सर नेक्स्ट।
ओके नेक्स्ट, फाइन। यस।
प्रॉफिट फॉर्मूला। हम प्रॉफिट निकालते हैं तो उसका फॉर्मूला सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस कॉस्ट प्राइस सेलिंग प्राइस बड़ी, मतलब कि जो सेलिंग प्राइस होती है वो कॉस्ट प्राइस से बड़ी होती है। सर वो लॉस के फॉर्मूले सर बोलनी।
यस गो अहेड।
ओके सर, लेकिन लॉस का टॉपिक तो मैंने बोला ही नहीं, क्योंकि मैंने प्रॉफिट का टॉपिक ही बोला था। सर बोलूं?
या गो अहेड।
ओके, जो लॉस होता है
You are not audible, Gunjan.
गुंजन, आप सुन पा रहे हो? गुंजन? गुंजन?
यस सर।
हाँ बोलिए बेटा।
सर उसका जो लॉस, सर मैं लॉस का टॉपिक बोल रही हूँ।
नेक्स्ट जाना है मेरे को?
नो
बोलिए आप बोलिए।
यदि किसी वस्तु का विक्रय मूल्य क्रय मूल्य से अधिक होता है तो उसको जो विक्रेता होता है, जो दुकानदार होता है, उसको लाभ लॉस होता है, हानि होती है उसको। तो जो हम प्रॉफिट निकालते हैं तो उसका फॉर्मूला सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस कॉस्ट प्राइस होती है। और जो लॉस, जो हम मतलब कि लॉस, हाँ लॉस निकालते हैं तो उसका फॉर्मूला कॉस्ट प्राइस माइनस सेलिंग प्राइस होती है। और प्रॉफिट के लिए प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज निकालते हैं तो उसका फॉर्मूला होता है प्रॉफिट अपॉन कॉस्ट प्राइस मल्टीप्लाई 100। और जो लॉस का फॉर्मूला होता है वो लॉस परसेंटेज निकालने का फॉर्मूला लॉस अपॉन कॉस्ट प्राइस इनटू 100। सेलिंग प्राइस निकालने का फॉर्मूला 100 प्लस प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज, वो प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज के लिए है। जो सेलिंग प्राइस है का फॉर्मूला, जो मतलब कि प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज के लिए सेलिंग प्राइस निकालते हैं तो उसका फॉर्मूला 100 प्लस प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज अपॉन 100 इनटू कॉस्ट प्राइस होता है। और जो लॉस के लिए सेलिंग प्राइस निकालनी होती है तो उसका फॉर्मूला 100 माइनस लॉस परसेंट अपॉन 100 इनटू कॉस्ट प्राइस। और जो प्रॉफिट होता है उसके लिए कॉस्ट प्राइस निकालने का फॉर्मूला होता है 100 अपॉन 100 प्लस प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज इनटू परसेंट इनटू सेलिंग प्राइस। और जो लॉस में कॉस्ट प्राइस निकालने का फॉर्मूला 100 अपॉन 100 माइनस लॉस परसेंट इनटू सेलिंग प्राइस। और इसमें मार्क प्राइस और एमआरपी की फुल फॉर्म होती है मैक्सिमम रिटेल प्राइस। ये एमआरपी वो होती है जो मतलब कि जिस पर हम सामान खरीदते हैं, जो जिस रेट पर खरीदते हैं उसको एमआरपी बोलते हैं। और मार्क प्राइस यानी होता है जो हम दुकानदार पे वो दुकान जाते हैं सामान खरीदने, तो हम बोलते हैं कि कम कर दो, तो पहले से ही उसको पता होता है कि आएगा, वो मतलब कि जो क्रेता होता है वो आएगा और कम करने के लिए बोलेगा, तो पहले से ही मतलब कि बढ़ा के 10, मतलब कि 100 रुपए की वस्तु तो उसको बताता है 120 की है, फिर हम उसको कम करवाते हैं 20 रुपए, तो 100 रुपए की ही पड़ जाती है। हम सोचते हैं कि वो उसने हमको कम कर दिया, लेकिन वो कम नहीं करता, वो हमको बढ़ा के बताता है, वो ही मार्क प्राइस कहलाती है। ओके सर, थैंक यू।
You are unmute, sir.
So good job, Gunjan. अच्छा था presentation. But final conclusion note रमाकांत सर और हम आपको देंगे at the last of the session when all the सारी आपकी presentation जो है हो जाएंगी, ठीक है? चलिए, तो अगला the next scholar is Prashanti. Prashanti, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you, sir.
Let me share your presentation. Till that, you can introduce yourself.
Okay.
Yeah. You can introduce Prashanti. I'll share the screen.
Okay, good evening all. Myself is Prashanti. I am in grade 8th. I was studying in grade 8th.
Okay.
And today's my topic is going to be HCF and LCM. So next.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, what is HCF? HCF is the highest common factor. Full form of HCF is highest common factor. What is factor? There are numbers through which the given numbers are divisible. Example 4 and 5. 4 is divisible by 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3 are the factors of 4. 5, the factors of 5 is 1 and 5. There are different types of methods to find HCF or to solve HCFs. First method, listing method, prime factorization method, short division method, and long division method. These are the different types of methods to solve HCF. So next.
Right.
Sir, LCM, lowest common multiples. Multiples means there are numbers which come under the table of given number. Example 2, there are multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, etc. These are the multiples of 2. Next, there are different types of methods to solve or find the LCM. First, same listing method, long division method, short division method, and prime factorization method. These are the different types of methods to solve LCM. Thank you.
Good. श्रीकांत सर आप कुछ रमाकांत सर आप कुछ लास्ट में देंगे कंक्लूजन?
नहीं, बहुत अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन था और
Okay.
LCM SCM के लिए एग्जाम्पल भी अच्छे थे, तो वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप.
Thank you, sir.
So the next I would like to call. So next I would like to call Hijba. Hijba, are you ready?
Sir, after a few minutes, sir.
Okay, right. So now I'd like to call this Navneet.
Yes, sir.
You can introduce yourself, and till that I'll share the presentation.
So, pleasant afternoon to everyone present here, to Mr. Ishan sir and Mr. Ramakant sir, and to all the participants. I am Navneet. I am studying in grade 8 at Discovery Works International School. I live in Hyderabad, Telangana.
Okay, let me share the screen. Okay, yeah.
So, next slide.
Okay.
So, today I am going to give a presentation on the topic GST. So, next slide. So, GST is nothing but Goods and Services Tax. So, GST or Goods and Services Tax is a single tax which is levied on the supply of goods or services or both. It means that it is a single tax which is imposed or applied on the supply of goods or services, or can be both. It was introduced by the Government of India on 1st July 2017. It is an indirect tax law imposed on the supply of goods and services. This law has replaced many indirect tax laws that previously existed in India. Means before it was introduced, there were many indirect tax laws. So after this law came, it has replaced that all. And it is a comprehensive, means it is covering complete and multi-stage, destination based. It is based on the destination, the tax that is levied on every value addition. Value added means economic value added to the product and services by the company. So next slide. Now we'll discuss about components of GST. There are mainly three components of GST. They are CGST, SGST, and IGST. CGST, collected by the central government on an intra-state sale. For example, transaction happening within Telangana. You can take any state. So it is nothing but intra-state means within the state. Interstate means state to state. So it is saying that collected by the central government. this CGST is applied when any transaction is happening within the state and it is collected by central government. Next, we have SGST. It is collected by the state government on an intrastate sale. For example, transaction happening within Telangana. So this is also like within the state, but it is collected by state government. CGST is collected by central government. SGST is collected by state government. This is within the state. If any transaction is happening outside the state or state to state, then IGCST comes into picture. So IGST means collected by the central government for interstate sale. For example, we'll take any two states. Some transaction or a dealer is selling any product to a consumer in another state, then IGST is applied on that product. And it is also collected by central government. So next slide, please. So we'll look in a table form. Transaction, if a transaction is in sale within the state, then two taxes will be there, CGST plus SGST, and revenue will be equally shared between central and state. If it is sale to another state, then IGST will be applied, and only one tax will be there, and the center will share the IGST revenue based on the destination of goods. So next slide. Here we have an illustration or example. So let us assume that a dealer in state A has sold goods to dealer in state B. That product is 50,000 rupees. And the tax rate is 18%. So it is interstate, means state to state. Only IGST will be there, that is 18%. So 18% of 50,000 is 9,000. So 59,000 he will sell it to the person in state B. And this revenue will go to central government. So next slide. Now, if the same dealer in state, next slide. Now, if the same dealer in state A selling to a consumer in the state A only, so two taxes will be there, CGST and SGST. So total 12% he has to collect, 6% will be SGST and 6% will be CGST. So 12% is 12% of 40,000. Let's take the product is 40,000. Excuse me. And 12% is 4,800 rupees. In that 6% means half, which is 2,400, will go to the central government, and another 2,400 rupees will go to the state government. Because the sale is within the state, so CGST plus SGST will be applied. So next slide, please. Next, we have a small note. The government mainly imposes 5%, 12%, 18% or 28% GST rate on goods and services. Means it mainly imposes only these 4 percentages, which are 5%, 12%, 18% or 20%. And most of the things of fundamental needs, means necessary needs, have been kept under 0% GST. That is, they are tax free. So next slide, please. So if you have any questions, you are free to ask.
So anyone want to ask, feel free to ask the question. Even scholars, any scholar having any doubt, what is GST? We have talked a lot of many things about GST, its components. Anyone want to ask anything? Please raise your hand. No one? Ramakant sir?
Very good and informative presentation. Very good, Navneet.
Thank you, sir.
So nobody else? No doubts? Let's move to the next.
So that
So
was my
next.
presentation. Thank you. So next slide. Thank you, sir.
Good. Yeah. Good job. Good job.
Thank you, sir.
So next we have Tanushree.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah,
Good
please,
evening.
yeah. Please introduce yourself. Till that I'll share your presentation. You can introduce yourself.
Good evening, sir. My name is Tanushree. I'm studying in grade 8. I'm CBSE. I'm studying in Discovery X International School, sir.
Right. So your presentation. So your topic is, what is the topic?
My topic is HCF and LCM, sir.
Fine. Okay. I hope that you can see the screen.
Yes, sir. So next slide.
Fine. Yeah. Yes, Tanushree, you can go ahead.
Sir, I can't. Sir, next slide. What are HCF?
Okay. Yes. Yes,
Sir,
Tanushree,
next
what
slide.
happened? You have to say next. Yes.
Next slide. Sir. Yes, I can see now.
Yeah.
HCF and LCM before. HCF is the highest common factor. Sir,
Which slide you want? You only told me. Which
second slide, sir.
Say like that number, right? Yeah, second slide. I opened that only before. Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Tanushree.
What are HCF and LCM? HCF is the highest common factors and which can be seen in two or more numbers. HCF is the greatest common number that divides all the given number exactly. And LCM. LCM is the least common multiple that can be seen in two or more numbers. LCM is the least number that is a common multiple of all the given numbers. So next slide. HCF and LCM. The term HCF and LCM full form are the highest common factors and least common factors. HCF, highest common factors, is used for two or more numbers to get the greatest number, which divides all the given number without getting any remainder. That is why HCF is also known as the greatest common divisor. LCM, least common multiple, is used for two numbers to get the least positive numbers, which get divided by all the given numbers without leaving any remainder. So next slide. How to find HCF and LCM? There are various methods to find HCF and LCM. Following are some of the most famous methods used to calculate the HCF common factor, highest common factor and least common factor. Division method, factorization method. Next slide, sir.
Slide. Okay. Yeah. Tanushree, next slide. Yes.
Yes, sir. HCF by division method. So, step 1. Take the smallest number as the divisor and the largest number as a dividend. Second, step 2. If you get the remainder as 0, then the divisor is the HCF of the given number. Step 3. If you get a remainder other than 0, then take the remainder as the new divisor and the previous divisor as the new dividend. Step 4. Perform step 2 and 3 until you get the remainder as 0. So next slide. Example out the HCF of 36 and 48. This is the example how to find HCF by division method. First, we should take 36 and 48. We should do calculation. So next. LCM by division method. Step 1. Check whether the given numbers are divisible by 2 or not. Step 2. If the number is divisible by 2, then divide and again check for the same if the numbers are not divisible by 2, and then check 3 and so on. Step 3. Perform step 2 until you get 1 and the end. Example, you can see left side. So we took two numbers and we did division method. Next. So, LCM by factorization. So step 1, write the multiples of given numbers until you reach the first common multiple. Step 2, first common multiple of the given numbers will be the LCM. Here you can see the example. Find out the LCM of 8, 6 and 18. Multiple of 6 is equal to 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30 and so on. Multiple of 18 is 18, 36, 54 and so on. LCM, first common multiple, is the least common multiple. Which I next, sir. HCF by factorization methods. Step 1, write all the division of the given number. Step 2, check all the common divisors among them and find the greatest common divisor. The great common divisor will be HCF of the given solution. You can see here. Example, find out the HCF of 6 and 18. Solution. Here divisor of 6 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6. Divisor of 18 equals to 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 9 and 18. Let's see if the greatest common divisor equals to 6, because in 6 and 18 we got 6 on. Next, sir. Difference between HCF and LCM. HCF, it is the highest common factor. LCM is the least common factor. The greatest of all common factors among the given number is HCF. The smallest of all the common multiple among the given number is LCM. The HCF of given number will never be greatest than any of the number. The LCM of the given number will always be greater than all numbers given. So next. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, good. I'll be giving the feedback at the last. Okay. Okay, next we are going with the Hijba. Hijba, can you hear me? Hijba? Guys, be active. I'll not call many times your name. Hijba, can you hear me? Okay. Hijba is not coming. So, yes. Sridhar?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You want me to make you like share the screen? You want to share the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Like,
Okay. So from which one you want me? You have joined.
so like
from
Sridhar _ 220197.
Sridhar underscore.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Hijba is here. Yes, Hijba, go ahead. Sridhar, I will come after the Hijba. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Hijba, go ahead.
Okay, so good afternoon, sir, and everyone. I'm Hizba Khan from class 9th in Government Girls Senior Secondary School, Amer. So today my topic is SCF and LCM. So first is that the full form of HCF is highest common factor. And today, first I will talk about HCF, then after LCM. So what is HCF? So that the factor of a number that are exactly divisible by the HCF, and the common factor of the number are the factor that are common to the two or more number are called HCF. we can take example 8 and 12 are factor of 8 is 1, 2, 4 and 8. Then after factor of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 12. Then the common factor of 8 and 12 are the list of the numbers which is common in the factor of 8 and 12. Therefore, the common factor of 8 and 12 are 1, 2 and 4. So we have seen that the common factor of 8 and 2 is 1, 2 and 4. Then after highest common factor, so the highest common factor is the largest of the common factor. In the example of 8 and 12, the highest common factor is 4. Then it is also known as the greatest common divisor. It is also written as HCF or GCD. Method to find the HCF. So there are 4 methods: common factors method, prime factorization method, division method, and listing method. So how to find the HCF of 2 numbers? So it is that write the factor of the number, then of the number, then after choose the largest common factor. From that we have seen in the example of 8 and 12 also. Then the method by time factorization is that we first of all we have to write the each of the number, then we have to circle the common prime factors, then after multiply the common prime factors so that we can get the prime factorization. Then the obtained product is equal to the HCF of the number. So we have seen that from example also. Then then after by the HCF by division method, so by step we will see that divide the larger number by the smaller number, then divide the divisor by the remainder, then the process of dividing the divisor by the remainder until you get 0 as the remainder. From this we can find the HCF by that divided method. So the last obtained divisor is the HCF of the number. Then after after that last step is the listing method. So we have to find the multiples of the numbers. Then we have to circle the common, and in last we can see that which is the that highest number, that is the HCF of that number. And then LCM. In LCM we can see that LCM is the least number we have to find in the solution. So in the example of 8 and 12, we can see that there is a 1, which is the least common factor of that. And in LCM there are 3 methods: listing method, prime factorization method, and division method by short division method and long division method. So after we can see that we have to solve the examples by these 3 methods so we can find the answer. Okay, so thank you.
Very good presentation, Isba. But are you not prepare any PPT for this presentation?
No, sir.
Are you face any problem, any challenges?
No, sir, I'm not aware about that yet. So that's why.
Okay. Your presentation flow is very good, but with the PPT, this is awesome. This can be awesome. So please wear for this type of presentation with every tools.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so next, Sridhar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, which one you said? Which one I have to allow?
Sir, Sridhar underscore 220197.
Okay. In that mic is not connected actually. Seems.
Sir, I will speak to this one.
Okay, fine, fine. I'm making you host now. Yeah, now you can share it. That's good.
Okay, sir. Thank you, one sec. Yeah. So, greetings everyone, and my special greetings to Mr. Ishan Dubey and Mr. Ramakant Sharma. I am Sridhar from grade 8 and I study in Discovery of International School. So, I'm going to start my topic. So, my topic is about GST. What is GST? Goods and Service Tax is an indirect tax used in the India on the supply of goods and services. It is a comprehensive multi-stage destination based on tax. Comprehensive because it has subsumed almost the indirect taxes except a few state taxes. There are some types of taxes: luxury tax, entry tax, local tax, octroi, VAT, CST, excise duty, and entertainment tax. So now we'll go through facts on goods GSTs. So first, advantages and disadvantages of GST. First, I will go with advantages. Reduces indirect tax, completely online, ease for interstate businesses, and compliances is less. Now we'll go through disadvantages. Increased business operational cost. SMEs still hesitant for online transactions. No e-way bill without GST return filling. Late return filling can result in penalties. So why do we calculate GST? It enables the user to determine the net or gross product price on GST rates. Who founded GST? Vajpayee set up a committee headed by the finance minister of West Bengal, Asim Dasgupta, to design a GST model. The Asim Dasgupta committee, which was also tasked with putting in the place back-end technology and logistics, later came to be known as GST Network or GSTN in 2015. So who calculates the GST taxes? The GST Council calculates GST taxes. What is the importance of GST in India? GST prevents cascading of taxes by providing a comprehensive input tax credit mechanism across the entire supply chain. Now, now we'll go with how to calculate GST. So the formula of GST is original price or original cost or principal amount into GST percentage by 100. So net price formula will be original cost plus GST amount. This is extra, okay? Now I have took an example. The example: if an original price is 15,000 and GST in percentage is 15%, then what will be the net price? So here, ordinary price will be principal amount. So I had principal is 15,000 and GST in percent is equal to 15%. So the formula which I have used for finding GST is original cost, that is principal amount, into GST in percent by 100. So 15. So here after substituting 1500 in 15,000 into 15% by 100, then it will be rupees 2,250 rupees. Sorry, 250. So GST is rupees 2,250. So here we have to calculate the net price, right? The net price formula will be principal amount, that is original price plus GST. So here after substituting, we have to add 15,000 to GST, and the GST in amount is 2,250 rupees, right? So the net price will be rupees 17,250. So this was my short explanation, and I hope you have liked it. So thank you. So that's all.
Sridhar, very good presentation and very good PPT.
Okay, so
Everything is okay.
Good, Sridhar, good job.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So 1 second, sir. I'm shocked. Stop.
Okay. Fine. So, right. Next, I would like to call Akshay. Akshay,
Yes, sir.
would you like to present the topic?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Sir, can you give me access to share the screen?
Yeah. Yeah, you can now. You can.
Yes.
Yes, Akshay, go ahead.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is Akshay from grade 7 CA from Discovery X International School. Today's my topic is difference between expressions and equations. First, let's go into the topic. What does expressions contain? Means what expressions actually contain. Expressions are the terms that contain two terms, constant, one constant or more than that, variable means alphabets, mathematical operators that are plus, minus, division symbol and multiplication symbol. Numerical coefficient is that comes before a constant comes that before the variable, that is called numerical coefficient. Next slide. What does equations contain? Equations contain terms, exponents, mathematical operators, equal sign, constants, variable and expressions. The difference between the both is the equal to sign. If there is equal to sign, it will not become an expression, it will become an equation. Yeah, everything is same, but the equal sign is the different in both of them. These are the examples of both expressions. 5y, it contains a numerical coefficient, mathematical operator and constant, and y is also a variable. Equations, these contain numerical coefficient, mathematical operator, constant, and this is an expression is equal to 8 is equal to symbol. This is the main important thing in both of them. 2xy, this is a numerical coefficient, this is a numerical coefficient, these are variables, minus and plus are mathematical operators, and 3 is a constant. Here 2x, it contains an expression 2xy minus 5, it is an expression is equal to symbol 3 into y. This is equal to is the difference in between both of them. Next, 5 minus 7 plus 4 into 2. 5 is a constant,
minus mathematical operator 7. 7 is a constant plus mathematical operator constant, mathematical operator, and 2 is a constant. 5 minus 7. It contains an expression also. 5 minus 7 plus 4 into 2 is equal to 6. Is equals to, equations contains is equals to. Thank you.
Good.
Very good presentation.
So Akshay, you have to
Thank you,
stop
sir.
sharing. You have to stop sharing screen.
I'll stop.
Yeah, here only. Yeah, share here only. Just click on the share. Click on share option. There's a top. Can you see the top view option? It's not coming for you. Close this screen dialog box. Once close this.
Okay, sir.
Close this one. No, you said that you will be having exit full screen. Click on the exit full screen. Stop share. Stop share. Okay, fine.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, next we are going with Riddhisri.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have sent me on WhatsApp or Telegram?
Sir, I mailed you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can I share?
Yeah, you can share it from your side. That will be good. Wait, I'll make you host.
Good
Yes.
afternoon, everyone. Myself, Riddhisri, and I'm from grade 8.
Yes, you can share the screen now.
Discovery Oaks International School, Hyderabad.
Yes, Riddhi, you can share the screen now. I've given you the permission.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Yes. So, welcome everyone. Myself, Riddhisri. I'm going to explain the chapter HCF and LCM. In definitions of LCM and HCF. LCM full form is lowest common multiple, the least or smallest common multiple of any two or more given natural numbers are termed as LCM. When we list the factors, the smallest one is the least common multiple. Also called as GCD, greatest common divisor, and GCF, greatest common factor. The largest or greatest common to any two or more given natural numbers is termed as HCF. When we list the factors of the given number, the highest number or the greatest number is called highest common factor. And sir, this is the simple problem of the LCM. And
we cannot see your screen. Your presentation has got stuck. Riddhisri, it is on the first slide only.
okay, sir. Now can you see?
No.
No. Sir, can I stop and can I share it again?
Yeah. Please do it.
Sir, can you see it now?
Yeah. second slide it is SCF and LCM.
Yes. So this is the simple problem of the LCM, and here we have the LCM of 3 and 4.
Okay, I think she has left now. She having a network issue. We'll go with the next one. So we'll go with now. So we have left with I think. Didisri, can you hear me?
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, you have a network issue. Okay.
Yes. So
Okay, what you can do, you can share me the presentation on WhatsApp. Okay, I'll call you the next. Okay, I'm going to call
Sir,
now. No
I
issue.
shared this.
There's a network issue is coming from the side. Your interruption is there. If you can share me the presentation, then it will be quite good, I think. Right?
Okay. Sir.
Yeah. Please WhatsApp me. So okay. Next we have Tanunama.
Sir, once can you check it in the Telegram?
Yeah, I'll check it.
Good afternoon, sir, and everyone. My name is Tanunama. I read in 11th class. My school name is Ram Gopal Khanna Government Girls Senior Secondary School, Alwar, Rajasthan. My topic is profit and loss.
Yeah, just give me a minute.
Sir, first I sent it in your mail.
Yeah, I have opened it.
On the school account.
Okay. So Tanunama, yeah, I'm sharing the screen. Yeah, I hope you can see the screen now. Tanu.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
The next slide.
Next slide. Okay.
The next. प्रॉफिट। जब कोई दुकानदार सामान खरीदता है 2000 रुपए का और 3000 रुपए में बेच देता है तो उसे 1000 रुपए का लाभ होता है, उसे हम प्रॉफिट कहते हैं। लॉस, जब कोई दुकानदार सामान खरीदता है 5000 रुपए का और 4000 रुपए में बेच देता है तो उसे 1000 रुपए की हानि होती है, उसे हम लॉस कहते हैं। प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस के 4 प्रकार होते हैं: कॉस्ट प्राइस, सेलिंग प्राइस, एमपी एंड एमआरपी। एमपी की फुल फॉर्म होती है मार्क प्राइस, एमआरपी की फुल फॉर्म होती है मैक्सिमम रिटेल प्राइस। कॉस्ट प्राइस, जिस मूल्य पर किसी वस्तु को खरीदा जाता है तो वह वस्तु का लागत मूल्य कहलाता है। सेकंड, सेलिंग प्राइस, जिस मूल्य पर किसी वस्तु को बेचा जाता है तो वह उस वस्तु का विक्रय मूल्य कहलाता है। थर्ड, मार्क प्राइस, किसी विशेष समय में वस्तु की जो कीमत बाजार में प्रचलित होती है वह बाजार की कीमत कहलाती है। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। मैक्सिमम रिटेल प्राइस, किसी दुकान पर सामान खरीदारी करते समय आप देखते होंगे कि हर सामान पर एमआरपी लिखा होता है। डिस्काउंट, जब दुकानदार सामान खरीदता है तो वह 5000 रुपए का खरीदता है और 6000 रुपए में बेचता है, तब दुकानदार को 1000 रुपए का लाभ होता है। उस 1000 रुपए में से दुकानदार 500 रुपए का डिस्काउंट दे देता है, तब भी दुकानदार को 500 रुपए का लाभ होता है, उसे हम डिस्काउंट कहते हैं। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। सम इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूला। प्रॉफिट निकालने के लिए प्रॉफिट का फॉर्मूला होता है सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस कॉस्ट प्राइस। लॉस का फॉर्मूला आता है कॉस्ट प्राइस माइनस सेलिंग प्राइस। प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज निकालने के लिए प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज का फॉर्मूला आता है प्रॉफिट अपॉन सीपी इंटू 100। लॉस परसेंटेज फॉर्मूला निकालने के लिए लॉस अपॉन सीपी इंटू 100। सेलिंग प्राइस निकालने के लिए 100 plus profit upon 100 into CP ब्रैकेट में 100 माइनस लॉस अपॉन 100 ब्रैकेट लॉस इंटू सीपी। कॉस्ट प्राइस निकालने के लिए फॉर्मूला होता है 100 इंटू एसपी अपॉन 100 प्लस प्रॉफिट 100 इंटू एसपी अपॉन 100 माइनस लॉस। एसपी निकालने फॉर्मूला होता है ब्रैकेट में 100 प्लस एक्स ब्रैकेट क्लॉज percentage of CP when profit is equal X percent of CP. SP is equal bracket में 100 minus X bracket close percent of CP when loss is equal X percent of CP. Gain percentage निकालने का फॉर्मूला होता है SP minus CP upon CP into 100. So next slide. मार्क प्राइस निकालने का फॉर्मूला होता है 100 अपॉन 100 माइनस डिस्काउंट परसेंट ब्रैकेट क्लॉज इनटू एसपी। क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। The selling price of 12 articles is equal to the cost price of 15 articles. Find the gain percentage. आंसर लेट हमने एक सीपी को माना है एक्स रुपीज एंड सीपी ऑफ 15 आर्टिकल्स हमें दे रखे हैं तो हमने उनको माना है ₹15 सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ 12 आर्टिकल्स इज इक्वल कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ 15 आर्टिकल्स। सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ 1 आर्टिकल इज इक्वल 15 अपॉन 12 रुपीज गेन इज इक्वल 15x अपॉन 12 माइनस x इज इक्वल एलसीएम लिया 12 आया 15x माइनस 12x इज इक्वल 3x अपॉन 12 is equal x upon 4. Gain percentage is equal gain into 100 upon CP is equal x upon 4 into 100 upon x. X cut हुआ for 25 to 4 the 25 100 is equal 25% answer. Second, the next slide. Find SP when CP is equal rupees 80.40 loss is equal 5%. Answer cost price is equal rupees 80.40 loss is equal 5%. Selling price is equal cost price is equal 80.40 upon 100. पॉइंट को हटाने के लिए उसके नीचे 1 लिख देते हैं तो इसलिए हमने 100 लिख दिया 5 into 5 upon 100 5 को 5 25 100 होता है तो उसको 5 को काट दिया 8040 अपॉन 200 0 से 0 कैंसिल की 4.02 सेलिंग प्राइस इज इक्वल कॉस्ट प्राइस माइनस लॉस 80.40 माइनस 4.02 सेलिंग प्राइस आया हमारा इज इक्वल ₹76.38 रुपीज आंसर। Third, find selling price when cost price is equal ₹56.25 and gain 20%. Answer is selling price is equal 56.25 rupees, gain 20%. Selling price is equal cost price is equal 56.25 upon 100 into 20 upon 100. 5,625 upon 500 is equal 11.25. Then next slide. Selling price is equal cost price plus profit is equal 56.25 plus 11.25. Selling price is equal 67.50 answer. Question 4. Find selling price when SP is equal rupees 40.60 gain is equal 16%. Selling price 40.60 rupees gain is equal 16%. Selling price is equal cost price plus percent of cost price 40.60 is equal cost price plus 16 into cost price upon 100. 40.60 is equal cost price into 116 upon 100 bracket close. 40.60 into 100 upon 116 is equal cost price. For 40 upon 16 into 100 upon 100 into 116, 100 से 100 cancel. 460 upon 116 is equal 1015 upon 29 is equal 35 rupees answer. Fifth question, the next slide. By selling a bicycle for rupees 2,850, a shopkeeper gains 14% if the profit is reduced to 8%. Find the selling price of bicycle. Answer: cost price is equal selling price into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent. 2,850 into 100 upon 100 plus 14 is equal to 28,500. 2,85,000 upon 114 is equal to 2,500 rupees. 2,500 rupees selling price of article for 8% profit. Selling price is equal cost price into bracket with 100 plus profit percent bracket close upon 100 is equal 2,500 into 100 plus 8 upon 100 is equal to 2,500 into 108 upon 100. 0 से 0 20 से 20 cancel is equal 25 into 108 is equal 2,700. Selling price is equal 25. Selling price is equal 22,700. Answer the next slide.
मेरा आवाज आ रहा है तनु आपको?
Yes sir.
दिस इज स्मॉल मिस्टेक, ठीक है, मैं जस्ट करेक्ट करना चाहता हूँ आपको। जो आपने लिखा है ना SP इज इक्वल टू CP मल्टीप्लाई इन ब्रैकेट 100 प्लस प्रॉफिट परसेंट डिवाइड बाई 100, राइट?
Yes sir.
यहाँ पे आपने ब्रैकेट खोल दिया है, आपने लिख दिया है 2,500 मल्टीप्लाई 100 प्लस 8, राइट? दिस इज रॉन्ग। यहाँ पे आप ब्रैकेट कब खोलेंगे? जब ब्रैकेट को कब रिमूव करेंगे? जब आप जोड़ देंगे। तो 100 प्लस प्रॉफिट कितना है यहाँ पर? समझ में आ रहा है आपको? ये ब्रैकेट आप यहाँ पे नहीं तो आपको ऐसे करना पड़ेगा, CP को 100 से गुणा करेंगे और CP को फिर प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज गुणा करेंगे। नहीं तो अगर आप ऐसे लिखोगे तो यहाँ पे पता है गलत हो जाएगा आपका। समझ में आ रहा है आपको? तो बॉड मास आपने पढ़ा है, राइट? ब्रैकेट को पहले सॉल्व करते थे, यहाँ पे पहले ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करेंगे। तो ब्रैकेट को जब खोलेंगे तो यहाँ पे 108 आएगा आपका। क्या आएगा यहाँ पे?
108।
तो ये वाला, ये जो आपने इक्वल में लिखा है वो स्टेप करेक्ट है, बट ये आप ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते, ठीक है? करेक्ट कर लीजिए, ठीक है? गुड, ओके, या,
थैंक यू सर।
okay, so it was good presentation. I'll give the, like, whatever the things I have to say about this presentation, I'll say in the last. Okay, रिद्धिश्री, आप सर कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? लास्ट में बोलेंगे?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, we'll see in last. Okay, Riddhishri, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes.
I'll share the screen now. I'll share the screen now. Check. So this is the last presentation which we have. Yeah. You can see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can
Go
you
ahead.
go to the 4th slide?
Yeah.
Yes, today my chapter is HCF and LCM.
Hmm.
The LCM, full form of the LCM is lowest common multiple, and the least or smallest common multiple of any two or more given natural numbers are termed as LCM. Like if we take two natural numbers and if we list their factors, the least number or the smallest common multiple is called LCM. And HCF. The full form of HCF is highest common multiple. The largest or greatest factor common to any two or more given natural numbers is termed as HCF of given numbers. It is same like LCM, but we will take the largest and the greatest factor. And HCF is also called as greatest common divisor, GCD, and greatest common factor, GCF. So next slide.
Yeah.
So this is the simple problem how to solve the LCM. And here we took the two numbers, and if we do their LCM, sir, before.
No.
And their LCM is 12. So next slide. And this is the problem of HCF. Factor. The numbers through which the given numbers are divisible are called factors. Sir, can I write here?
You try. No, you cannot. I think you have to share your screen, then only you can write.
Sir, I got it, sir.
Check it, check it, check it.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you see it?
Yeah.
Yes. Here, the factors of 4 and 5 I'm listing. And 4 is divisible by 1 and 2 and 4. These three are called the factors of 4 and the factors of 5. The factors are 1 and 5. The numbers 4 in which table or in which by which number it is divisible, the numbers are called factors of that number. Sir, next slide.
Yeah.
And HCF and LCM we can find them by using these three methods. They are listing method, prime factorization method, and division method. And in division method, we have two types. They are short division method and long division method. Sir, next slide. And listing method. Here we are listing the factors of the given numbers, and we are taking the number, and it is called as the LCM. LCM is used in fractions when the addition of fraction is given. And this is the HCF of the 18. Here also we are doing the same thing. We are listing the factors of the number, and we are taking the higher or the greatest number, and that is called the HCF. So next slide. Prime factorization method. In prime factorization method, we are doing the number, and we are taking the small number like 2, and how many times it is divisible till we get 1, we are doing it, and we have to multiply them with so, and this is the HCF of the two numbers. And here we in the HCF of 108 and 132 is 1. And here we have to do like this. Sir, next slide. Short division method. Short division method is same like prime factorization method, but we are taking the number which all numbers are divisible by that. And here we took the three numbers, and these three are divisible. These three are divisible by 3, sir. We took 3. We have to do 3 into 5. The LCM is 15.
LCM or SCM?
Sir?
LCM or SCF?
LCM, sir. HCF is the down one.
Okay.
And this is long division method. And here we will get divisor as our HCF when we get 0. Sir, can I tell one thing which I didn't mention in this?
Please go ahead.
1 minute, sir. And the relation between HCF and LCM, sir.
Please go ahead.
There is a formula that is LCM into HCF is the product of the given numbers. Like if we take the HCF numbers are 3 and 2, the HCF of it is 1. And LCM of the 2 and 3 is 6. We are multiplying LCM into HCF. LCM is 6 and HCF is 1. And 6 into 1 is the 3 into 2, 6. Like that, the relation between LCM and HCF is good. Sir, can I solve this problem?
Yes, please go ahead.
Yes, here there are which is the least number of plants I should buy if I wish to plant them in equal rows. And they are asking if I want to plant trees in each row equally, how many I should plant, they are asking. The solution, here we have to do the LCM of the numbers. 4, 5, and 3, and 6. Here we are taking 2 tables. 2, 4, 5, and 3. Sir.
Yes. Yes, what happened?
Sir, I'm not getting to draw, so that 1 minute, sir, I got it. And we have to multiply all these numbers. 2 into 2, that 4. And 3 into 5, 15. 4 is 60. LCM of 5 and 60 by 4, 5 and 6. 60 divided by 4
Okay, Riddhi, your time is up. Please conclude.
Yes, so if we divide 60 divided by 4 is 15, and 60 divided by 6 is 4.
Okay, thank you, Riddhi. It was a good presentation. Fine. So yes, with this, we have finished with all of our presentation. So now I will give my conclusion, like whatever the observation I'll give one by one. The last first, I would like to invite Ramakant sir to give your to tell about your presentations observations. So Ramakant sir, over to you, sir.
थैंक यू सर।
Yeah.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेरे कुछ साथी भी जुड़े हुए हैं यहाँ पर।
Yes, yes, yes.
अपर्णा मैम एंड मुकेश जी एंड महावीर सर, थैंक यू फॉर पार्टिसिपेटिंग एंड ऑब्जर्वेशन।
तो आई थिंक जो आपके सहपाठी जुड़े हैं सर, उनको भी आप बोल सकते हैं अगर वो कुछ बोलना चाहें बच्चों के लिए, और कुछ सजेशन देना चाहें प्रेजेंटेशन में, उन्होंने जो ऑब्जर्व किया, जो अच्छाइयाँ थी और जो उनको चेंज करने की जरूरत है, तो ऐड कर सकते हैं।
ओके सर। Aparna ma'am, are you concluding any suggestion from your side? Okay, sir. Are you give any suggestion, any appreciation? Okay, sir. Ishan sir and all of the participants, very good presentation. You have present here with very confident and fluent presentation. You are presented. सबका सही है और बहुत अच्छा है। किसी पे कोई कमेंट करने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है, क्योंकि आप सभी ने मेहनत की है और आप 8th या 9th क्लास के स्टूडेंट हैं। उस हिसाब से आपने बहुत अच्छा पीपीटी तैयार किया है, उन चीज़ों को समझा है। अगर मैं बात करूं टेक्निकल, तो एक चीज मैं कहना चाहूंगा आपको से, अगर हम अपने से कुछ चीज तैयार करते हैं, आवाज आ रही है आंसर?
यस सर, यस सर।
अपने से हम कुछ तैयार करते हैं तो उसका वो चीजें बहुत अच्छी लगती है सामने वाले को देखने पर। या कुछ प्रेजेंटेशन मैंने देखा कि आपने बैकग्राउंड में क्यू मैथ के कुछ प्रेजेंट पीपीटी क्यू मैथ जिसमें लिखा हुआ आ रहा था, कुछ में आपके अनअकैडमी का आ रहा था, तो और कुछ में कई अलग ऐसा दिख रहा था कि वहां से आपने कट कॉपी पेस्ट किया है। बाकी आपने मेहनत की है उसमें और वो चीजें आपको आती है तभी किया है। बाकी अच्छा प्रयास है, लेकिन मैं ये कहूँगा कि आप अपने हिसाब से पीपीटी प्रिपेयर करना सीखें, ताकि वो ओरिजिनल आपकी ही लगे, किसी और की नहीं लगे। और इस हिसाब से सबसे अच्छी मेरे को पीपीटी के लिए अगर मैं कहूँ तो जो नवनीत की जो पीपीटी थी बड़ी शानदार थी और उसने बहुत अच्छी मेहनत करके उसको बनाया। सेकंड पीपीटी सबकी अच्छी थी, रिद्धि श्री की बहुत अच्छी उसने मेहनत की, बहुत अच्छा उसने कंक्लूड भी किया और प्रयास भी किया उन चीजों को दर्शाने का। अक्षय, श्रीधर सभी की अच्छी थी पीपीटी। इसमें थोड़ा सा मैं बताऊंगा कि संसाधनों की कमी होते हुए भी, और सबसे अच्छा जो मैं कहूँगा प्रेजेंटेशन मेरे को लगा, ये आप कैसे भी कह सकते हो उसको, जो रिलेटेड जो प्रेजेंटेशन मुझे लगा वो तनुनामा का लगा। उसने जितने भी संसाधन थे उस हिसाब से अपने प्रिपरेशन की और उसको यहाँ प्रेजेंट किया और प्रेजेंटेशन वाज वेरी गुड। और मैनी एग्जाम्पल जो उसने बताए थे वो भी बहुत अच्छे हैं। अक्षय जो है, अक्षय ने भी बहुत अच्छा उसे जीएसटी के ऊपर बताया था, काफी कुछ अच्छा रहा। तो सभी का अच्छा है, मैं मार्किंग तो नहीं कर रहा, लेकिन जो दो चीजों में, दो कैटेगरी में मैंने जिन चीजों को देखा है, फर्स्ट ऑफ कैटेगरी पीपीटी, अगर प्रेजेंटेशन स्लाइड्स की अगर हम बात करें तो वो मेरे को नवनीत की सबसे अच्छी लगी। और प्रेजेंटेशन करने का तरीका और रिलेवेंट टॉपिक्स को अगर लेके हम बात करें कि जिसमें मुझे भी खुद को कुछ सीखने को मिला है, जो अलग से चीजें थी, उसमें तनु नामा ने बहुत मेहनत की है। उसने कुछ अच्छे एग्जाम्पल लिए जो इवन बड़े हायर कंपटीशन के अंदर आते हैं, उन चीजों को किस तरह से फॉर्मूलाइज का इस्तेमाल करते उसको सॉल्व किया है। बाकी हिजबा का फ्लुएंसी ने बहुत अच्छा है, अच्छी स्टूडेंट है, मेरी खुद की स्टूडेंट है और मुझे प्राउड भी है उसके ऊपर। लेकिन हो सकता है कोई कम्युनिकेशन गैप उसके साथ रहा हो या कोई ग्लिच कर गया हो कहीं पे। बाकी हिजबा का जो प्रेजेंटेशन करने का जो तरीका था वो भी अच्छा था। थोड़ी कोशिश भी करनी है हिजबा आपको, आगे से आपको ध्यान रखना है कि ऐसा जब प्लेटफॉर्म हमारे सामने आता है तो हम पूरे टूल्स के साथ प्रिपेयर रहें। कहीं आपको लगता है कि भाई वो चीजें नहीं है तो आप मेरी मदद ले सकते हो, आपके टीचर्स की मदद ले सकते हो, तो पीपीटी बनना चाहिए था। तो कोई बात नहीं, नेक्स्ट टाइम आप लोग ध्यान रखें। और गुंजन की अगर मैं बात करूं, एक बिल्कुल इंटीरियर क्षेत्र से है ये, और इसकी एक सिस्टर है, वो मेरे से जुड़ी हुई रही है क्योंकि मानक के अंदर उसने पार्टिसिपेट किया था अकबरपुर के, और कई सारे कंपटीशन में ये लोग हिस्सा लिए हैं और कुछ अचीवमेंट भी हासिल किए हैं। वेरी गुड गुंजन, अभी 8th क्लास में हो आप, सीखें धीरे धीरे इन चीजों को और आपका ब्राइट बहुत फ्यूचर है। नवनीत परफेक्ट है आपका, बहुत शानदार लगा मुझे, और मैं चाहता हूँ आप एक नए ब्राइट फ्यूचर को लेके जाएं, इसी तरह से अपनी तैयारियां जारी रहें। सो थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर प्रेजेंटेशन and for your future. Thank you, Isan sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay, here I would like to add few things. So I'll take one by one. I'll tell you what are the things was actually, as sir said, we should not say, but yeah, you should learn. Everything is a learning process. So I'll just take it. If something you feel that is negative, sir saying like that, don't take it in negative way. आपको negative में नहीं लेना है, ठीक है? उसको as a positive में लेना है, ठीक है? तो पहला जो presentation आया था वो हमारा गुंजन का आया था। तो गुंजन, आपका जब बोलने का आता है तरीका बहुत ही अच्छा है, इसको आपको अपना कीप इट अप रखना है, आगे लेके जाना है, ठीक है? गुंजन, सुन रहे हैं आप मेरे को? आपका जो बोलने का तरीका बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत ही अच्छा है, वंडरफुल। बट आपको क्या करने की जरूरत है, आप नीड टू वर्क ऑन हाउ टू मेक, मतलब कि आपको सीखना है। अभी आप 8th क्लास में हो तो राइट, ठीक है? तो आपको सीखना है, ठीक है? तो आपको सीखना है कि कैसे प्रेजेंटेशन बनाते हैं। उसमें जैसे आपका नेम नहीं मेंशन था प्रेजेंटेशन में, राइट? नेम क्लास, तो नेम पहली जो स्लाइड होती है आपकी नेम क्लास होना चाहिए, ठीक है ना? तो अभी आप धीरे धीरे सीख जाएंगे, ठीक है ना? बट इस पे जब भी आपका, जब अगली टाइम कभी भी प्रेजेंटेशन होगा तो आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि पहली जो स्लाइड बनानी है इसमें आपका नाम होना चाहिए, क्लास होना चाहिए, राइट? ये चीज आपको ध्यान रखना है, और कैसे बनाते हैं प्रेजेंटेशन पे ध्यान देना है। और बोलने के हिसाब से तो आप तो वंडरफुल हो, धमाकेदार, राइट? ओपनिंग आपकी अच्छी थी, ओके। उसके बाद है प्रशांति, तो आपने एलसीएम और एचसीएफ का टॉपिक लिया था, यू हैव टेकन एलसीएम एंड एचसीएफ।
सॉरी ईशान सर, मेरा एंगेजमेंट है, मैं थोड़ा ड्रॉप करके जाऊंगा सर, थोड़ा सा।
श्योर राइट। So sir, thank you so much sir for joining and giving your valuable time, and looking forward in future also, like our upcoming scholarship exam, so we are expecting this time as many can be the part of that.
Actually I have participate all things or my student groups about the Aryabhatta math scholarship, तो इस बार हम धमाके के साथ आपके साथ जुड़ेंगे।
Sure. Thank you so much. And thank you once again so much from bottom of the heart, sir, for giving your valuable time and joining us. Sir. Thank you so much, sir. Okay. So second one, Prashanti gave LCM and SCF. So here, when I talk about, I have categorized into two. One is confidence level and another is like presentation. So Prashanti, your confidence level was like you was in hurry-burry. So you should not be in hurry-burry, and it was quite low. So you have to work on it. You should not, if you was not in hurry-burry, quite your confidence level was good, and it can be quite better. And still, when you talk about presentation wise, still you need to work on the presentation. Clear, Prashanti?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Next, Navneet, as sir has already mentioned, so wonderful. So confidence levels was like ultimate. It was wonderful. And when it comes to presentation, that was also good. So keep it up, Namnit.
Yes.
It was good.
Okay.
Okay. Then Tanusri, and she is not there. She left the meeting. This is what not good. You have to be in the meeting. Okay, fine. So Tanusri taken the topic SCF and LCM. So she was actually not ready with the presentation. And example what she has taken, that was good actually, but she was not ready. She was reading the entire presentation, and in each slide, when you are making the presentation, the content should be less in your slide. As many as pictures should be there, content should be less. Clear? The content whatever you are keeping, that should be less, like single sentence, two sentence, that's it, not more than that, because nobody read that much sentence. And after that you write that many things, you mention that many things in the slide, and nobody read, and you are keep on reading that. So that is not a good habit of that is not a good presentation. So Tanusri has to work on it. That is what I mentioned, like when it comes to like confidence levels, he was not ready with the presentation. So never ever read the presentation what is written over there, the presentation. You have to speak your own. Then when it comes to the presentation, content was too much, like in one slide so many things was there. And she mentioned something different between SCF and LCM, that was good. So that is about Tanusri. Then Hijba. So Hijba, like gap, why it has come, you have dropped. I don't know what was the reason you have dropped to prepare for the exam. What could be, see, I will suggest you should not overcome to your study. What could be the reason? You should not drop your study in at all. And maybe some reason will be there. Okay, fine. But yeah, clarity was really good. Your confidence level was really good. You have the good communication skills. In future you are planning to become an entrepreneur or something, like a great leader, a speaker. You can be a good leader, good speaker. And not when it comes to like that presentation part, you was not ready with the presentation. So as you have not continued your classes, you should do that, because few days are only was there. But okay, fine. And if you could have presentation, it was an excellent presentation. So that is about your presentation, Hijwa. Then
Thank you, sir.
Sridhar, good thing. One more thing. Remember, guys, most of you off your camera. Your camera was off. That is not a good habit. When you are giving presentation, especially online, you should on your camera. Anybody says or not, you should on your camera. That is a basic, what you can say. What to say? When you are giving the presentation, online presentation, that is a basic requirement. You should on your camera. You cannot off and simply speak. That will consider as you are just reading some from somewhere like that. So another thing very important, you should, when you are giving the online interview or presentation, whatever, you should on your camera. You should be ready with that. You should sit some place where like everything is fine and you can switch on your camera. Is it clear? So you should switch on your camera. So Sridhar and Navneet, they have on their camera. That was good. And examples of taxes were mentioned. Really good, Sridhar. Good presentation skills. But yeah, try to avoid to read the mention whatever the content was there in the PPT. You was reading the content which was there in the PPT. You mentioned that, but don't read that. You just try to speak what you know that. Is it clear? So try to avoid to read the same content which is mentioned in the. Then your presentation was application based presentation. Good, you have relate. So you have tried to relate the topic with the daily life, how to deal with the problems related to GST. So you have taken one example also, it was good. Then it comes to the Akshay. So expression and equation. So first thing, like you guys were 7th grade, right? You was like not continuation was not there, like regularity was not there, and this topic is not there, I think. Is this topic is there for Albert Einstein?
Not there, sir.
Yeah, so you was not there. This topic is not related to Albert Einstein's syllabus. So your topic was out of it, but okay. But when it comes to confidence level, it was good, but you are going quite fast. And example was taken really good, whatever example you have taken. And as sir has mentioned that some logos were there, Byju's and QMath. See, keep in mind, if you are copying also content from somewhere, please make sure other things logos are not there. Try to remove that if you are copying also.
Okay, sir.
Here, that is another thing which you have to remember. Never ever keep, if you are trying to take from somewhere else or maybe you are downloading presentation from Google or somewhere and you are trying to present that same, please remove logo and at all. You should not give the clue to the observer, otherwise you will be out. So please make sure. Okay, if you are copying also, when you are copying, you should use your brain. If you are copying and not using your brain, it is waste. So that is the thing. So content was taken from the Byju's and QMath, something like, so that logo should be removed, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Then okay, and all over okay. Then Ridhishri, LCM and SCF. I don't know why most of the people have taken LCM and SCF. They love the SCF, that topic. I don't know why. Or they discuss, I will discuss this topic only. Okay. So Riddhi, confidence level was really good. Technology wise also you are good. Like you take, I learned from that when somebody is host and somebody else can also write on the screen. So that is what I learned. Then need to work on how to make presentation. Your first slide was like white, background was white, over to that you have used in the yellow color, right? Something like that, right? So you should know over to white color, which color will be good. Which color will be good over to white?
Sir, black.
Riddhi?
Sir,
Black
rest
color.
Black will be the best one. Black, or you can see my logo backside, right? Antariksha India logo. White and
Blue,
over
sir.
to that blue.
Yes,
is
sir.
there.
Dark blue.
So you have to use, like white is light color, so you have to use the dark color. So that way, so you have to work on text color, font size. Somewhere your picture was there, that is stretched too much. Somewhere it is compressed too much. Are you getting? So slides was not proper, so you have to work on it. Then at the Tanunama, so like at the last, what I should say, it was really wonderful presentation, and I think you all guys also learned something. Tanunama don't have the laptop, and she don't have like even proper mobile and this what network and at all. You all guys are living, if you compare, your life is luxury life as compared to Tanunama. But what she has done, she don't have laptop, she don't know how to make presentation, and how to make presentation, she don't have the any resource. So she created the resource. What she did, she make the presentation by handmade itself. So जब आपको लगे कि आपके पास कोई भी sources नहीं है ना, तो आपको sources को खुद create करना पड़ता है. When you feel that you don't have any sources, you should create your own resources and sources. That is what the thing. Tanunama, a wonderful message she has given. And never lose the hope. That is the thing. And yes, Tanunama, your confidence level was really good. I really appreciate. So yeah, I have done with my observation. That is the thing. Anybody left with the observation? Everybody have taken? Anybody left?
I think no, sir.
Okay, fine. So fine. You all have done wonderful job, but yeah, don't take as negative whatever the things. Everybody should improve. Everything is about learning process. So we should improve. Every day we should learn something new, and we should keep on adding and keep on improving. That is all life is all about. So that is the thing. So never lose the hope. Keep doing and keep learning, keep exploring. Okay. And wherever you get the knowledge, go back of the knowledge, because knowledge is great. Because there's a quotation, something is called until okay. There's a quotation of Kalam sir, that is, until your signature doesn't convert in autograph, life is not called what you are not success, like that, right? So you have to convert your sign into what autograph. The day your sign converted into autograph, like you will be a successful person. So that is what from my side. Yeah, at the last I would like to announce 2 names, as I said at the beginning. So can anybody guess? I want get those names from your side only. Anyone? You can suggest the names. Who are those 2?
Navneet,
Okay.
Tanunama.
Okay.
Sir, could be Ridhishri. Could be H.
Tanunama.
Okay. So yeah, before going to the name announcement, this I have shared the attendance link. Please do fill that attendance. It will be open after the closing link, like till 4:30 it will be open. Okay. So don't share this link to anyone, because who are there in this meeting, who are the part of Albert Einstein, they only going to get certificate. Nobody else is going to certificate. Is it clear? So
Yes, sir.
please fill the form, and by like 4:25 or 4:30 this form will get closed. So you have the time. Now you listen. So those two people are, the first one is Tanu Nama, and the second position we have the like two people. One is Navneet and the another one is Sridhar. Okay, so these three people which I really got impressed, and like especially Tanu Nama, it was really wonderful. She is not having, you should all learn from her. She's not having any resource, and one more thing I will say, that many times morning times what happened, she get wake up at 4 exactly and message in the group, sir, send the link, and sir, send the link. Many time classes got cancelled, but it is not like many of the scholar, what they do, if one day class cancel, next day they will not wake up. But she was keep on getting wake up every day 4 o'clock, and exactly sharply like 4:1 and 4:2 message will be there, sir, share the link of the class. So that is a good thing what I observe. So you should learn from her, and try to get, if you don't have the resources, don't blame, I don't have this, I don't have this. You should find out the resources. Okay, so that is what from my side. So okay, congratulations. Okay, so and all of you like who are continuing the class will be getting the 1 month of that training, that mathematics training certificate you'll be getting from Antariksha India. Okay, and this participation certificate you'll be getting, all of you, and you will be having something, you three guys will be having something. Okay, we'll see what you will be getting, something special. Okay, okay, so that is what for today's.
Sir, can you please tell their names again?
Yeah, so first one is Tanu Nama, and second at two persons are there, Navneet and Sridhar. Okay, so if you could have done the presentation, it was really wonderful, but yeah, you have dropped in between, I don't know why. You should not do that. Okay, so I have done with the presentation.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, and
Sir,
yeah,
from
yes,
today, the class link, can you please send?
no, that is not today. This is the last session of the Albert Einstein classes are
No,
wind up. This is the last session. Yeah,
that our daily classes.
recording you are saying, we'll see, because we have today one more session at 5:30. So 5:30, no, 5 o'clock, right? It is 5 o'clock. Yeah, 5 o'clock we have another session. You all guys can join. All are welcome. Okay, there also what you will be having, the topic in title is communication skills. Okay, you all can join. You can ask your friend to join. You can encourage your friends to join that session, and
Sir,
there
from Zoom.
yeah, you can join through the Zoom link. So if you are joining through the Zoom link, you'll be getting chance to interact with the
PMM.
your guest of the day, right?
PMM only, sir.
Yeah. So that is the thing. Is it clear?
So the Zoom link, from where we get the Zoom link?
Morning I have shared to everyone. You check that message. Check message. That is
Okay.
what, guys. Read the message properly, and when you
No,
are
there is only given the YouTube link.
no, for Zoom link is session 3 Zoom link. Check that session 1, session 2, session 3. I've sent a message.
Yes, sir. Zoom
And that
link.
session 3 Zoom link is there, YouTube link also, both are there. Guys, read the message properly, whatever has been sent to you. And whenever you are sending, I forget this also, whenever you are sending presentation, don't send link. That is again will reduce your point. That is not a good habit. Like
Sir, it's live, sir.
you
Recording.
what?
Sir, you are recording the meeting.
Recording the?
Sir, nothing.
Okay. So please don't send the link at all. You have to send the presentation. When it has given the instruction, send the presentation, download and send it. Okay.
So
Yeah. So that's it.
okay. So that's daily classes we are taking before when I drop. So send me the link of that classes tomorrow or whenever.
I'll just check with it. Okay. I'll just check with the team. Okay. Yeah.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes.
सर कल टेस्ट लोगे वो
ये
टेस्ट
आपको
होने का
आपको आपको इन्फॉर्म कर देंगे, ठीक है ना?
ओके
आपके सारे
सर
चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं, राइट?
यस सर
Okay, guys, then I'm going to close the meeting. See you at 5 o'clock again with another session. And what about morning session? How it was? Did you enjoy? How many
Yes,
of you
sir.
joined? How many of you
Sir.
joined? How many of you joined that
Sir,
session?
I joined, sir.
I also, sir.
Sir, I also.
Yeah, I have seen Navneet join in the quiz also. I've seen that. Did you get the
Sir,
certificate for? Did you get the certificate for quiz, Navneet?
No, sir. No, sir.
Only
That only
only
top 10.
top 10. Okay. Actually, I registered on behalf of my sister, so I got one certificate. My sister got.
oh
Right.
my.
Fine. Okay. So I hope that morning session you enjoy and this session also you enjoy.
Sir, only
And,
top 10 will get the certificate.
Top 10 that quiz certificate, but the remaining you can download. You can go into the session participation certificate. Everybody can download from, right?
Sir, where, sir?
You have to
That
go to your. You can ask to Navneet. Will guide you. Guide. Okay. You have to log in the that website, sign in, and then you have to check like how you do in Facebook, Instagram. Same way you have to log in your profile in Edu IDP. There you have to go to my section, like where you have registered. It will be there in dashboard. There you will be having when you go inside that course. There's one option will be there, download certificate. You can download from there. Okay. Fine, guys. Please fill the Google form, which that attendance link. You will get a certificate, and don't message me, sir. When certificate I'll get. Don't message me. It will take time, maybe 1 week or maybe 2 weeks. So please don't message, sir. When you'll get the certificate, you'll get your certificates. Clear?
yes sir
When we will get
When we'll get what?
certificate, sir, this class, sir. This participation certificate.
I told you na. Don't ask. It will take maybe 1 week or 2 weeks. Okay, but you will get it on your mails. Okay.
Sir,
Okay,
it's
sir.
asking code, sir, certificate code.
You have watched the session fully enough, so then you should know what is coach. If you have not watched, then you don't know what is the code, and nobody is going to say to you. Don't tell
Arey,
him
sir.
how to get the.
I know, sir. I watched it.
I know. Then okay,
Yeah.
fine.
Shall
Okay,
I
guys,
enter it,
I'm going to close the
budget
session.
policy?
I'm going to close the session. That this session is not about the morning session. I'm going to close session. See you in the evening time. Okay.
Sir,
So have a
like,
nice day, guys.
I have one doubt, sir.
No doubts. Okay. We'll talk in
Sir,
separate session.
Hey,
not in
but
this.
this only, sir. But this only.
Yes.
Sir, you said no, sir. Second place, I am now need same person or like 1, 2, 3 again.
Guys, I'm going to close the meeting now. Okay. We'll talk to you
close it.
in the next session. Right. So have a nice day, guys.
Thank you, sir.
See you 5 o'clock. Okay. With the
okay sir
another energy.
thank
Have
you,
a snack.